if you want to enhance photos in camera on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, then in that case we're gonna go to the camera app, and then in here in the photo mode you should be able to tap on this icon where we have 3 stars. So in here we have the choice between the natural color style, and you can also switch to the signature style. And this signature style or this color style can be created using the AI to pretty much use a couple of images as a reference to make a sample, and then you can create your own style. So in here, if you go to customize, you should be able to import some pictures of food, maybe some portrait photos and landscape photos, and then you have the start adjusting button. So then once you create that style, your own style, then you should be able to use it in here. You can of course apply it straight away if you want to, but of course best results are going to be visible when you just customize it and include some references. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.